Welcome to Muncle Mikes, where every month brings a new thrill for Hot Wheels fans. Join our monthly Hot Wheels subscription club and unbox collector-grade chaos delivered straight to your door. Each box is packed with custom builds, rubber tire swaps, DIY kits, and exclusive cars you won't find anywhere else. Whether you choose a rubber tire box, a 5-pack, a 10-pack, or even a full factory-sealed case, every subscription is curated for collectors, modders, and diecast enthusiasts of all ages. These aren't just cars. They're hand-built customs with satin finishes, upgraded wheels, and display-ready quality. Affordable, unique, and perfect as a gift or for your own collection. Imagine the excitement of discovering new Hot Wheels every month, from custom-painted rides to adventure boxes loaded with tracks and surprises. Join today and fuel your passion with Muncle Mikes' monthly Hot Wheels subscription club. Your next favorite car is already waiting in the box.